Creating a sales receipt in QuickBooks will let you make a sale as well as get paid at the same time you make the sale. To add a sales receipt to QuickBooks, click the New menu in the top left on the navigation bar, and then click Sales Receipt. On the sales receipt, there are 4 important pieces of information you'll need to provide. They consist of who, when, what, and how much. First, the who. We tell QuickBooks who we're selling to. In other words, our customer. Choose the customer from the drop-down menu. Next is when. In other words, what is the date of the transaction? Next is the what. What are we selling to the customer? In this section, we tell QuickBooks the products or services that we're adding to the sales receipt. Under Product or Service, click the drop-down menu and choose the service provided to the customer. Additional information now displays under the description and the quantity. Now we can add our rate, as there was no rate attached to this specific service. The final step is the how much. So what is the quantity and the rate to provide our amount? An additional part of the how much section is the sales tax. Sales tax is automatically charged on this particular service, and it's automatically added in QuickBooks. That concludes the 4 key pieces of information. On the sales receipt, we have one additional step to complete. Since we're getting paid at the time of the sale, we have to record payment information. We can do this using these 3 fields in the middle of the form: the payment method, reference number, and deposit to. First, we tell QuickBooks how we got paid. Since we're getting paid by a check, we'll enter the check number here for future reference. And finally, where are we going to put that check? We're not going straight to the bank, so we're going to deposit it to our undeposited funds account, and we'll deposit later on when we arrive at the bank. That completes the sales receipt in QuickBooks. Make sure you click Save or Save and Close to complete the transaction.